What's up guys, in less than a month the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place where the high-end Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series will be unveiled. Right after that, we are probably going to back to watch for the Galaxy S11. Usually the S series is just a simple bland flagship device, but if these new renders are true, we might be in for a surprise. Now Samsung annually records a large number of patents to protect future smartphone designs and technologies. Sometimes the designs are so futuristic that an actual market introduction will take years or will never happen. This time, however, the Korean manufacturer has had a design patent filed that seemed to be little easier to realize. It seems to be a very effective solution to get bigger display into your pocket. Since it is a design patent, there is unfortunately no detailed description included that answers the question how this smartphone can be pulled out. The image do show that the Galaxy S11 screen on the right is enlarged. The frame border around the screen is also shifts partially so that the flexible display remains well protected against external influences. Earlier this month, Let's Go Digital also reported on a retractable Samsung smartphone. However, that model could be pulled into two directions. This time, the screen area is only enlarged on the right side. Technically, this will probably be much easier to achieve, partly because a smaller screen needs to be stored in the small housing. Chances are that this design also uses a rail mechanism that supports the flexible display. A striking feature of this design is the punch-hole camera system, which is positioned in the middle. This part of the screen will therefore not be able to move. Since the screen can only be slid to the right, the remaining screen surface is presumably also stored in the housing on the right hand side, possibly running on a sort of tube. The rear camera has been moved to the top right corner. This makes sense considering the extendable display. The extendable screens ensures that the camera system cannot be positioned on the left rear, as is probably the case with the Note 10. This will be the first Samsung smartphone with a punch-hole camera in the middle. The patent does not make clear how many camera lenses are used. For the 3D renders, Let's Go Digital are opted for a similar setup that Samsung is currently applying in its high-end models. This has been a pretty great look at what the future may hold for the company. And if this is what it looks like, it might be the most interesting Samsung launch in a long time. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.